Hi Miss, I'm Andrew T. Emolian from BSTM2C, and the country assigned to me is the Poland. The first one is the eye contact. In the Philippines, we make eye contact to show respect and attentiveness, but in Poland, eye contact is also important, but too much or prolonged staring can be seen as disrespectful or uncomfortable. The second one is nodding or head gesture. In the Philippines, nodding means yes or agreement, but in Poland, nodding can be tricky. They might nod slightly when listening or not fully agreeing, which can cause a misunderstanding. The third one is greetings. In the Philippines, we usually greet people with a smile, a nod, or a simple handshake. But in Poland, greetings are more formal, with a firm handshake being the most common. In some cases, men may even kiss the woman's hands, which shows the old European traditions. The fourth one is the use of titles and formalities. In the Philippines, we show respect by using words like po and opo, but our conversation are still quite casual. In Poland, people are very formal, and they usually address others with titles like pan for men and pani for women. Forgetting to use these titles may be considered disrespectful. And the last one is personal space and physical contact. In the Philippines, we are very comfortable with close personal space and casual touches, like holding someone's arms and standing very near. But in Poland, people value personal space more and avoid unnecessary physical contact, especially with strangers, because it may feel uncomfortable. That's all, miss, and thank you.